If your Android phone speaker is not working, don't reset your phone yet. Try these settings first because one of them might fix your speaker is less than a minute. So first open settings and tap sound and vibration. First make sure your phone is not in mute or silent mode. Then tap volume and increase the ringtone volume all the way to the top. Even if you mostly watch videos, a low ringtone volume can sometimes make it seems like your speaker is not working properly. Now press the volume up button on the side of your phone. When the volume panel appears, make sure the media volume slider also turn all the way up. Many people only increase the ringtone volume and forget to check the media volume, so video and music still have no sound. Now open settings and go to Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is turned on and your phone is connected to earbud headphones or a Bluetooth speaker, turn Bluetooth off or disconnect the connect device. Sometimes your phone sends all audio to the Bluetooth device instead of the phone speaker. If your speaker is still not working, here's another setting that many people don't know about. Open this setting and tap accessibility, then search for sound notification. If you don't use this feature, make sure it's turned off. On some phones, disabling unnecessary accessibility features can help reduce background activity. Once you change this setting, check your phone speaker again and see if the issue is fixed. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.